Good morning, I Love Babylon. Here is your local events update for Tuesday, October 15, 2019. Before I get into all the events for today, I have to tell you about the Bowling Over Breast Cancer event that WBLI is hosting this Friday, October 18th. This is an event benefiting the 1 in 9 Hewlett House charity that provides services and support for those affected and surviving breast cancer. For only $150, you not only give to a great cause, but you can sponsor a team of bowlers or get a gang of bowlers together. Local businesses, chambers of commerce, community associations. How wild would it be to see the North Babylon Chamber versus Copaig's Chamber, or Sunset Civic Association versus Deer Park and West Babylon Community Associations, right? Who takes home the bragging rights for best bowler? Not only is this going to be a fun event, but we also get to give to a great cause as well. Check the I Love Babylon Facebook page for tickets and information on raffles and all of that that's happened at the event. Also on the calendar for today, Classic Country Tuesdays with Frankie and Regina at the Warehouse in Amityville. It's karaoke night at Lily Flanagan's in Babylon Village. Tuesday night, bingo happens at that meatball place in Farmingdale. The Bartini bar in Babylon Village, which is known for its intimate space and hosting various up-and-coming musicians and bands, is hosting a monthly songwriter series where you can go and hear some original music. Tonight there will be 7 different performers and songwriters playing original music for you to sample. It's a music day, right? Come out and support this event promoting original music. Stepping Out Performing Arts Center is hosting a Zumba fitness classes. That's at 749 Sunrise Highway in West Babylon here, where you can move and dance and get that exercise in with this unique and fun class. But those classes fill up fast, so either call them or message them online right away to get a spot. So for these and all the events around town today and every day, go to our local events calendar at ilovebabylon.com/events/today. To get them in your email inbox, go to ilovebabylon.com/subscribe. I am Ryan O'Neill Williams for ilovebabylon.com, and I'll see you around town. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my man Craig here. He's gonna show me inside of the WBLI radio station. I don't know if you've ever been. It's very cool, and it looks very much like a radio station should look, right? Hey, Craig, how you doing? Good, good to see you, man. All right, so you want to show me in? Let's go take a look. All right. So, guys, this is, what is it, 555?
555.
Sunrise Highway.
North Babylon.
All right, so if you were ever hoping to come by and talk to them, say hello, hi, how are you doing? That would be where we'd be. So they've got all their...
Yeah, these are all our jocks.
All the jocks on the station.
Come by, get some information about the bowling event.
That is what's happening later on Friday, right? So you definitely want to check that out. Okay. All right, let's see what else is, what's happening here today. What do you got in, who's on air at this time?
Alavine.
Oh, Alavine. What is she playing? Or are you... Okay. Very cool. Hey, how you doing? Oh, the crew's in here. This is what it looks like, guys, inside the station. Doing all these, interesting. Right. Check it out. Okay. So, looks like it's
Ryan from I Love
Babylon.
Babylon.
Hey, how are you doing, Al? How are you doing?
He's filming in some promotion talking about our bowling event on Friday.
Oh, okay.
So I just wanted to bring him in, show him the studio.
Like one selfie stick.
Right.
Yes.
We're at the selfie stick. You like the selfie stick?
So this is where all the magic happens.
It is. And what? Amazing.
And Alavine, the Long Island radio legend.
Is on. What? How long do you have to go before you get back online?
About 26. Just gonna do the weather. Nothing crazy.
Okay, very cool. So, guys, this is what it looks like from a radio station. And if you come by, I guess you could ask Craig here for a tour.
We always do tours. We have schools that come in, different organizations that come and check out our studios. So
okay, all right. And
he's
what
about to go on in.
He's about to go in, so let's get out.
Okay, East Port, Jeff Station, rest of the island, sun and 62 today, clear tonight, 52, rain coming in tomorrow in the afternoon, 67. It is 60 in Long Island's #1 for all the hits.
Cool.
Awesome.
All right, so I heard you guys are doing all kinds of breast cancer stuff for this as well?
Yeah, so we're doing this today. We have like a whole thing where massages and lunch. It's a $10 donation that's going to go to 109 Hewlett House,
Okay.
Which is a great organization that really
You know,
kind of helps people.
benefiting on Friday, right?
So we're doing all different kinds of stuff throughout the month, you know, focused on breast cancer,
Right.
raising money and awareness.
See, so it's all part of that whole thing, guys. For $105, the prizes that are going to be at this thing, the fun that's going to be at it, I can't understand why a business wouldn't want to get promoted at an event that is actually being done by a radio station, right? So you guys check that out. Thank you so much, Al.
Thanks, Al.
All right,
Appreciate it.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
All right, you too. All right, so that's basically it. I'm gonna head out now. I'm gonna post this video for you guys. But thank you so very much, Greg.
Oh, my pleasure.
Oh, man, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Susan. Nancy's in here. Oh, she's out there.
How you doing? He came in, filming the video. Hey.
These are all radio people taking care of radio business. They look great. Really enjoyed himself. No, you guys look like you have
He's like, you
a
want to be in the
fun-
video? I'm like, nah.
try.
Okay, sure.
Better not to ask him twice.
No, actually, I had to ask him about 3 times, but we warmed up, and then here we are. But thank you so very much for having me come by and do this. But then on top of that, I'll see you guys on Friday.
Awesome. Love it.
Very
Can't
well.
wait.
Take care.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night. You know, thank you too. All right, guys, we're gonna head out now. Have a great day. I'll see you around town.